Today we're doing an oven removal and installation across DB Tech Enterprises. Darrell Beckton, the owner of the company. We're going to remove this old GE oven and we're going to install the new one, which is over here. Of course, we have we got a little gap that's going to be in between there, and we're going to compensate for that gap by putting a little wood trim. As you can see, that oven is just a little bit taller, not so much, but we'll fix it up and make it look nice. Okay, DB Tech, be back with you shortly. Okay. All right, so now I gotta get the door off. You always get the doors off first because the doors is heavy. So we don't want to increase the weight. So we gotta find the right hex wrench, of course. And in my business, you always wind up losing tools on a regular basis.